Most of you have come. Abu Shahid, Afisa, and who else?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. I should wait for one more minute, and today I will be doing microorganisms. Microorganisms. Saklin, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So what's your name? Sakulin or Saklin?
Saklin, sir.
Saklin, no? Okay. Actually, your name is spelled like S-A-Q-U. That sounds like Sakulin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Not an issue. It's 11:04, and let me go to the class straight away. We are missing Abu, Afisa, and Arathia. Okay, I hope they will be joining soon. I'm sharing the whiteboard with you. Okay, all of you get ready.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which chapter, sir? Which chapter we will start?
Chapter 2.
I will write
Chapter
on the
2.
board. Yeah, I will write on the board. Don't worry.
So this is the question.
No, this is a point. Okay, this is a point about what are microorganisms. So listen, Orijit, the chapter is new today. Okay, and I will complete this today only. Don't worry, it's a small chapter. Though in your textbook you will find it in a bit large, but not all the things are to be learned. I will tell you what specific things you need to know. So microorganisms are very small, in fact, microscopic organisms which can be beneficial or harmful to mankind / plants
So we have to
or
write this.
animals. Okay. So now the features include A, they are microscopic and cannot be seen without microscope. Next, they come, I typed cow, come under the following categories. Orijit, can you tell me the categories?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. Tell
The
me.
bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae.
Fungi, comma, I have typed fungi, comma, protozoa, and
algae.
algae. Okay. Next, see, besides viruses cause diseases, but they act as non-living objects outside the host's body. They are inanimate. Have you finished?
No, sir. I'm
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finished.
under the following. Sir, what you did in following?
Following line number, following categories. Following categories. Aradhya has
Sir,
joined.
finished. Sir, my
Okay.
work is finished.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Be patient. Okay.
Bacteria, virus,
When these
bacteria,
microorganisms reside inside
Protozoa.
the body of a plant slash animal slash humans, comma, they are termed as parasites, and the organism that harbors the parasite is called the host. So I have given two definitions here, one parasite and the other host.
So act as non-living what non
Non-living objects
object.
outside the host's body.
Body. They are in. So what you did? They are.
I am just reading out for all of you. Pay attention, please. What I told is, I'm reading from the very beginning. These are very small, in fact, microscopic, means you cannot see any of these without a microscope, which can be beneficial, means useful, or harmful to us. Mankind means with the human beings. Okay. Next is, they come under the following categories. That means they can be bacteria, they can be fungi, they can be protozoa and algae. I will classify each, but not now. Then we are coming to, besides, there are also another category which we call viruses, but viruses cannot live freely outside the body. Okay, just let us add one more thing. They cannot live freely, okay, outside the host. Please make a point of this. I have added this here. They cannot live freely outside the host. Now, coming to next, when these microorganisms reside or live inside the body of a plant or animal or humans, they are termed as parasites, and the organism that harbors, means give shelter, is called the host. Okay, so these are some of the features I was talking about. Next, I will come to another point, is that it's a new point. Okay, so this is a new point. Now, point number two. Point number one was these are very small and all those features were included. I am coming to point number two. Okay. Now, vectors. Vectors are organisms that carry disease, disease producing organisms from one diseased person to a healthy person. Children, please note the point which I am saying, that They carry disease-producing organism from one diseased person to a healthy person. Please keep in mind, healthy person. Let us give an example. Example is AIDS. Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito carries dengue virus. I have typed virus, it should be virus, from an infected person to a healthy person. Remember this. Okay, there should be a gap between a healthy, so infected person to a healthy person. I have given you an example. So the question might comes, what do you mean by vector? Give an example. So vectors are organisms that carry disease producing organisms from one diseased person to a healthy person, and in terms of example you can give that is Aedes mosquito, which actually carries a dengue virus. Okay. Now, all of you are unmuted. Can I go to the next page, or you
No
want me
sir,
to
no
wait?
sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am
Completed.
completed. Can I go to the next page, all of you?
No
Assuming
sir.
that
Yes,
who is
sir.
not,
Yes, sir.
who
Yes,
says
sir.
no?
No sir.
Okay, Sagnik, I am
Sir,
waiting. Okay, okay, I am waiting, Sagnik. Please tell me when you are finished so that I can go to the next page.
Sir, carry disease producing organism.
Yes, actually, vector cannot carry the disease. It cannot carry dengue from an infected person to a healthy person. It will carry the virus. The virus will come in your body and it will start an infection. Is it clear?
Sir, why? Yes
What
sir, now
happened?
it is okay. Form
I am
one.
going to the next page.
No sir.
Who is saying no?
No sir,
Sadni?
no sir.
Okay. So going?
No sir.
Okay, okay. Hurry up.
The person.
The class,
Sir,
20 more minutes are left for the class to get completed. So hurry up.
sir, example are
Aedes,
Aedes
not Aedes,
mosquito.
it's Aedes mosquito. You can also give another one like, Anopheles
Anopheles
mosquito carries
mosquito.
malaria.
Female Anopheles mosquito. Dengue virus form one. Yeah, yes sir. Sir, go to the next page.
I am moving to the next page.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Write this question. What is a disease? Answer. A condition in which the normal functioning of our body gets disturbed, and our body starts malfunctioning. Full stop. A disease is expressed by means of signs. Please note the spelling of signs and symptoms.
Okay.
In other words, comma, health gets disturbed.
Sir.
Okay. Next question. What is health? Health is a condition of complete physical, comma, mental and social well-being, comma, not being an absence of disease or deformity, not being an absence of disease or deformity. Okay, now beside that you have to write, this is the definition of WHO in 1984. Those who did not know, please make a note of this. Health is a condition of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not being an absence of disease or deformity. Okay, note it down. Next, types of diseases. Did I spell it wrong? Yes. DISEASES. Types of diseases. This I am writing on the board. Previously I was typing, now I will write. All of you are ready to copy?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Arijit, you have
Yes,
finished
sir.
copying?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Types of diseases. Number one, communicable. Communicable, which gets transmitted. Do not write transferred. Transmitted. MITTED. From one person to another. Or you can say, yes, or you can say from an infected person to a healthy person. To a healthy person. Okay. If this transmission takes place by a vector, it is called vector transmitted disease. Vector, VECTOR, vector transmitted disease. Vector transmitted disease. Besides transmission can also take place by air. What is the example? Example is flu, comma, water. What is the example? Example is cholera, comma, contact. Okay, example, you can easily write the name which is killing us, corona. Did you finish copying?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Among the no has to be origin. Sagnik, are you one of these no's?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay.
No,
I'm writing
sir.
the name of the diseases.
Okay. I'll give you 1 minute time. Hurry up. But at the same time, go through this, and I hope the language is very simple, which I have written. If it is
Yes,
taking
sir.
place
What?
in means of mosquito, it is called vector transmitted disease. Questions can be define a vector, name a disease that is transmitted by a vector, and those. Okay, if someone sneezes, then also the droplets get spread from one person to another. Okay, can I go to the next page?
No, sir. I'm on the.
Where are you, Arijit?
Sir, takes place by a vector.
Oh my God. You are in Howrah and
Sorry.
we are in Bagnan. You are so behind. Hurry up. Sagni, do you have anything to ask from this page?
No, sir.
Okay.
I've finished my work also.
Yeah. Hey, Arijit,
Sir,
hurry up.
busy. Sir, I am in the beside transmitted.
Besides transmission.
Beside.
Arijit, you have to be fast, okay? Time never waits, my dear friend. Please be fast.
Can
Also take place by air. Example, flu, water, and in fact, the spelling of contact, I have made a mistake. Please make it T instead of, it looks like K, T. Okay, so I am actually moving now, Arijit, assuming that you have come to know what is there in this page.
what? Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 2 is non-communicable diseases, which cannot be transmitted from one person to another. Can you give an example? Okay, it's acidity. If you touch someone having acidity, you won't get infected. Heart disease, etc. Heart disease. Okay, that was communicable and non-communicable. Okay, next, because what I gave you, types of diseases, 1 communicable, number 2 non-communicable. Number 3, bacterial slash fungal slash protozoal slash viral, etc. Okay, here what you
Viral.
can.
So what is viral?
Viral means caused by virus.
Oh,
Okay, so I'm coming one by one here. First of all, bacterial. Diseases caused by bacteria. Example, diphtheria, comma, tetanus. Number 2, fungal. The name is athlete's foot. Athlete's foot. Ringworm. These are all fungal disease. Okay. Okay. These are diseases caused by fungi or fungi.
Sir, DIPTHERIA.
Diphtheria. Diphtheria. Do not dip a girl called Ria, okay? Though it sounds like that. So anyway, coming to protozoal. Diseases caused by. Children, I am uploading the videos in the portal. Are you watching them?
Portal.
Yes.
No, sir. From where we can see? From the study materials.
Study material, no. I hope you can see. How can you access the videos? I have uploaded many videos of these classes in the school portal because other teachers are also
I
doing
have
that.
seen only one.
How did you see that?
The Saknik sent me that.
Okay.
From
Sagnik,
you.
you can help him. Amoebic dysentery
Protozoan.
by entamoeba MOEBA entamoeba histolica.
Entamica historica.
Entamoeba 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 histolica. Abu is not here, Afisa is not here. Okay. This is one, and the last one is viral disease. Viral means diseases caused by virus. Give two examples, Orijit.
Sir.
Viral disease.
Virus. Sir, corona.
Okay. Apart from that, write chicken pox.
It happened to me last year.
Yeah. In fact, I also got affected long time back, but we are all immune against that. Okay. So this is another types of diseases: bacterial, fungal, protozoal, viral. I am moving to the next page.
Sir, only I am writing the virus caused virus last.
Sagnik, I hope you are finished. Rupanjan, I hope you are finished, and Nosin also.
No, sir.
I'm writing the viral one.
Okay.
Corona and chicken pox. Sir, finished.
Okay. Yes, Saklin, you have raised hand. Please say something.
Sir, you can now go to the next page.
Saklin, you have raised your hand. Please tell me what you want to say. Saklin, like to say something? Can I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, all of you. Now I am typing.
I'm not typing.
Yeah. Uses of microorganisms. Number one, fungi can be used to produce the anti-biotic penicillin, which acts in respiratory diseases rather. That's number one. Number two, bacteria can fix.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, Saklin is telling that you have muted him.
No. I have
Sir,
already unmuted.
he has sent me one tweet that say to sir that sir has
Yes,
unmuted
yes.
him.
Now unmuted.
Okay, but I have unmuted everyone. Make sure none of you are
No, sir.
unmuting yourself. Please
Not
mute.
to me. Not to me.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
not to me.
Please.
Now only open.
Okay. Please mute everybody. Please, everyone, please mute yourself. Thank you. So fix atmospheric nitrogen to the soil and thus increase soil fertility. That's number 2. Number 3, yeast, comma, a fungus is used to, yeast, a fungus is used to make ethyl alcohol by the process of Sagnik, what that train goes, is it a regular feature?
Sorry?
That train goes beside you, is it a regular feature? Trains are not going, na?
Yes, trains are only going.
Okay.
I live near the rail station only.
Okay. Raj Chakraborty, I have to move you.
Yes, sir.
By the process of fertilization, this process takes place in the absence of oxygen and CO2 is also produced. 4. Lactobacillus bacteria are used to make curd. These are the very common uses you people have to know actually. Okay. Bacteria and food spoilage. Bacteria can cause food spoilage. To prevent such, food preservatives are used. Example, sodium benzoate. Certain foods are kept in an inert atmosphere of nitrogen, which prevents bacterial besides pass of milk is also done to prevent bacterial growth. Did you finish typing? I mean writing?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
finish? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finished.
Okay. Orijit, Sagnik, where you people are?
I'm writing at a sodium benzoate. I just finished sodium benzoate.
Okay, and Orijit? Arijit, is he here? Ara, Nausin, Shagni, Shakib, Arijit, Rupanya, Aradhya, Shaklin, Afis and Abu Shahid are absent. My dear friends, only 2 minutes are left because I have more or less completed the important topics of microorganisms. These are the questions which come very often. I will provide you a chart of the bacterial and fungal diseases along with symptoms in your homework section. And not only that, our entire FA or first assessment syllabus is complete. Though we are doing stage-wise revision, which will continue. In between, do you have any questions to ask me here? Because the class will end in another minute.
No, sir, no question.
Okay. Shagnik, Arijit, did you finish copying? Shagnik and Arijit, did you finish copying? Because I might stop screen sharing.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Arijit, please tell me something. Did you finish copying? Because I am stopping screen sharing. Arijit can't be heard.
Hello,
So
sir. I am not completed. I am
Oh,
not completed.
Where are you? Where are you, Arijit?
Which prevents.
Which prevents bacterial growth. We are having less than a minute. Full stop. Besides pasteurization of milk. Besides pasteurization of milk,